Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i AI-powered gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a premium AI-powered gaming PC built to handle everything from high-end gaming to professional content creation. At its core, this desktop packs the Intel Core Ultra 7 265F processor, a true powerhouse of a CPU that brings lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and incredible efficiency to your workflow. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this processor ensures your system responds instantly and runs demanding applications without lag or slowdown. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, the Legion Tower 5i delivers breathtaking visuals and ultra-realistic gaming experiences. From the latest AAA titles to competitive esports games, every frame looks smooth, vibrant, and highly detailed. Ray tracing and AI-powered rendering make games more immersive, while ultra-high FPS ensures that you stay ahead of the competition. Even graphics-intensive tasks like 3D modeling, video editing, and streaming are handled effortlessly, thanks to the combination of this powerful GPU and the Intel Core Ultra processor. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM provides seamless multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications at once, switch between games and software, and stream content simultaneously without stutters. The 1 TB NVMe SSD offers massive storage and ultra-fast load times, letting you boot your PC, launch games, and access files almost instantly. And if you ever need more memory, the system supports upgrades up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, meaning your Legion Tower 5i can grow with your needs and remain future-proof for years to come. Lenovo has designed this tower not just for performance, but for usability and style as well. The toolless side panel makes upgrades and maintenance quick and easy, while the customizable RGB lighting allows you to personalize your setup to match your room, your mood, or your gaming rig aesthetic. The tower's bold, modern design is perfect for showcasing its high-end components while providing optimal airflow to keep everything cool during long gaming sessions. Advanced cooling ensures the CPU and GPU run efficiently even under heavy load, maintaining peak performance while staying whisper quiet. Connectivity is another strong suit of the Legion Tower 5i. With 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and multiple versatile I/O ports, you get stable, ultra-fast networking for gaming, streaming, and video conferencing. The tower makes it easy to connect monitors, peripherals, and storage devices with minimal effort, so you can focus on your gameplay or creative work without worrying about setup limitations. Lenovo also includes 3 months of PC Game Pass and EA Play, giving instant access to hundreds of games, including day-one blockbusters like Halo Infinite, Overwatch 2, and Forza Horizon. This means you can start gaming immediately without spending extra money on new releases. Combined with its high-performance hardware, these services make the Legion Tower 5i a complete package for gamers and creators alike. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i combines raw power, future-proof expandability, and smart, user-friendly design. It's ideal for gamers who demand high FPS and realistic graphics, for content creators who need fast rendering and smooth multitasking, and for anyone who wants a reliable, high-performance PC that can grow with their needs. With its AI-powered optimization, high-speed memory, impressive storage, and cutting-edge GPU and CPU, this tower stands out as one of the best options in its class, delivering a premium experience for gaming, streaming, and creative work. If you want a PC that handles everything effortlessly, stays future-ready, and looks as good as it performs, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is an excellent choice that will elevate your gaming and productivity to the next level. From intense gaming marathons to professional creative projects, this machine ensures every task is fast, smooth, and visually stunning.